Welcome aboard, travelers, and welcome back to Krosstrail, the channel where aviation meets deep dive storytelling. Today, we embark on a journey across continents, across oceans, and above the clouds to reveal the top 25 airlines in the entire world for 2025. We're ranking them not by hype, not by reputation alone, but by real performance, real luxury, real safety, and real global impact. This is the ultimate luxury and safety guide, a complete expert breakdown of the best airlines operating today. So sit back, relax, and make sure your seatbelt is fastened low and tight across your lap. This is Krosstrail, and this is World's Top 25 Airlines ranked for 2025. Section 1. Ranking Methodology. Creating a global ranking of the world's best airlines is no small task. Every airline has strengths. Every airline has weaknesses. But only a few rise to the top. For our 2025 rankings, Krosstrail used 7 core criteria, each weighted by importance. 1. Safety performance. This includes incident records, training standards, maintenance quality transparency, and reporting safety culture pilot qualifications. Some airlines pride themselves on near flawless safety records spanning decades. 2. Cabin comfort and passenger experience. Not just luxury cabins, but comfort across economy, premium economy, business, and first class. Seat width, legroom, recline, privacy, sleeping quality, and cabin design all play a part. 3. Fleet modernization. A modern fleet means better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, quieter cabins, fewer delays, and enhanced safety. Airlines investing in new jets score higher. 4. Service quality trained crews. Professionalism. Warm hospitality. Cultural courtesy. Consistency across routes and aircraft. 5. Food, beverage, and dining programs. Aviation dining today can be gourmet. Michelin-inspired meals, premium wines, regional cuisine, authentic flavors, chef collaborations. Some airlines treat food as part of the luxury experience. 6. Lounge experience. Lounges are now extensions of the airline brand, some with showers, sleep suites, a la carte dining bars, spas, work zones, silence rooms. We evaluated accessibility, comfort, dining, design, and amenities. 7. Network and connectivity. A powerful airline connects the world. The size and efficiency of an airline's route network determine its global influence. Section 2. The top 25 airlines, 25, 21, 25. Alaska Airlines, USA. Starting us off at number 25 is a domestic U.S. favorite known for reliability, hospitality, and operational excellence. Alaska Airlines may not fly to every corner of the world, but what they do exceptionally well. Known for clean cabins, smooth service, and some of the best on-time performance in the U.S., Alaska earns its global ranking for its consistency. Their safety culture is excellent, and their fleet modernization continues steadily. 24. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, Netherlands. KLM brings European elegance, warm service, and strong global connectivity. Their blue livery is iconic, and their Amsterdam Schiphol hub is efficient and traveler-friendly. Their world business class is improving steadily, with better seats, menus, and entertainment. 23. JetBlue Airways, USA. A surprise entry, but well-earned. JetBlue's Mint cabin is one of the best business class products in the Western Hemisphere, sometimes better than what legacy carriers offer on long-haul flights. Impressive seat design, excellent dining, and a boutique feel give JetBlue a global presence despite being US-focused. 22. Virgin Atlantic, United Kingdom, always stylish, always fun. Virgin Atlantic brings attitude and flair to flying. Their upper-class suites, social onboard bar, and attractive lounges make long-haul travel memorable. Virgin ranks high for design, comfort, and brand personality. 21. Korean Air, South Korea. Korean Air blends modern aviation with traditional Korean hospitality. Their business class Apex suites are incredibly private. Their safety record is outstanding, and routes across the Pacific are consistently rated among the best. Section 3. The Top 25 Airlines 2016-20. Air New Zealand, one of the most innovative airlines in the world. From the Sky Couch to the soon-to-be-launched Skynest sleeping pods for economy passengers, Air New Zealand pushes boundaries. Their safety videos alone are works of art. Warm Kiwi hospitality makes the airline unforgettable. 19. Swiss International Airlines. Swiss brings precision and calm luxury. Their first-class cabin is understated elegance, perfectly executed. Swiss is known for punctuality, smooth service, and clean aesthetic cabin design. Even economy feels premium. 18. Finnair. This Nordic airline is rapidly rising as a global star. Finnair introduced one of the world's most interesting business class seats, a no-recline, lounge-style pod that passengers love. Their focus on wellness and Scandinavian simplicity sets them apart. 17. United Airlines, USA. United's transformation over the past 5 years has been dramatic. Polaris business class is excellent, private, comfortable, and globally admired. Their new lounges and massive fleet refresh push United into the global top tier. 16. Cathay Pacific, Hong Kong, still a luxury giant. Cathay Pacific endured challenges, but with renewed investment and reopening routes, it's returning to form. Their lounges at Hong Kong International, the Pier and the Wing, are among the best in the world. Section 4. The top 25 airlines, 15-11-15. Air France Grace. Luxury. French refinement. Air France's La Première cabin is legendary. Private suites, rich dining, and top-tier service. Even their business class improvements for 2025 add privacy doors and modern comfort. A beautiful airline in every sense. 14. Japan Airlines JL. Every detail, perfect. Japan Airlines excels in cabin cleanliness, crew politeness, and meal quality. Their A351,000 flagship aircraft introduces redesigned first-class suites built like floating hotel rooms. Quiet, elegant, and precise. 13. Lufthansa, Germany. Lufthansa debuts its long-awaited Allegri cabins in 2025, a major upgrade featuring fully enclosed business-class suites, first-class double suites, and new premium economy options. Reliable, global, and now technologically refreshed. 12. Qantas, Australia, the world's safest airline for multiple years. Qantas prepares for Project Sunrise, 20-hour non-stop flights connecting Sydney and Melbourne to New York and London. Their service is warm, their cabins modern, and their performance consistently strong. 11. British Airways, United Kingdom, a major turnaround story. The new club suite with privacy doors has changed British Airways' global standing. Service has improved, catering is upgraded, and new aircraft are arriving. BA now competes with the world's best again. Section 5. The top 25 airlines, 10-6-10, Emirates, UAE, luxury embodied. Emirates remains the world's most glamorous airline with a 380 shower spas, onboard lounges, remarkable entertainment systems, strong hospitality, and beautiful cabins. Dubai's hub makes global travel seamless. The 9. ANA, All Nippon Airways, Japan. ANA's service is so polished and so consistent, passengers often describe flights as relaxing therapy. The suite first class and the room business class are two of the best designed cabins ever created. Calm, quiet, and precise, ANA is world class. 8. EVA Air, Taiwan, a quiet titan of excellence. EVA Air is known for impeccable safety, premium cabin comfort, delicious Taiwanese-inspired menus, clean, organized service, excellent reliability. Their Royal Laurel business class is phenomenal. 7. Turkish Airlines, Turkey. Turkish has become a global supercarrier, flying to more countries than any other airline. Their DO and CO catering is considered the best airline food in the world. Their business class is strong, lounges enormous, and expansion rapid. 6. Etihad Airways, UAE, home of the iconic residence, a private 3-room apartment on board the A380. Etihad combines boutique luxury with modern fleet strategy, offering exceptional first-class suites, great lounges, high service consistency, a focus on passenger comfort. Etihad competes in both luxury and innovation. Section 6. The top 5 airlines in the world. 5. Qatar Airways, Qatar. A frequent hash, one winner globally, Qatar Airways remains a titan. Qsuite, their flagship business class cabin, is still unmatched for privacy, luxury, and comfort. Qatar's lounges, service, and global connectivity make them elite. Even economy ranks among the world's best. 4. Oman Air, Oman, a hidden gem, but extraordinary. Oman Air's business class is so luxurious it feels like first class on many airlines. Soft lighting, spacious seats, attentive crews, and refined dining give Oman Air a boutique luxury feel. Though smaller than its Gulf rivals, its quality is exceptional. 3. Singapore Airlines, Singapore, luxury without compromise. Singapore Airlines blends service excellence, modern aircraft, and meticulous hospitality. Singapore suites remain the most elegant commercial first-class product ever built, more like a luxury hotel room than an airline seat. Training, safety, food, consistency, Singapore excels in every category. 2. Emirates Airlines, luxury category dominance. Emirates makes its second appearance because, in luxury categories, it stands nearly alone. The A380 experience is simply iconic. From the onboard bar to the first-class shower spa, Emirates defines sky-high extravagance. Their entertainment system, ICE, remains #1 in the world. Their lounges are vast and premium, and their service remains consistently excellent. Emirates nearly takes the top spot overall. Section 7. The #1. Airline in the world for 2025-1. Qatar Airways, overall champion. After evaluating all categories, safety, luxury, fleet modernization, service consistency, lounges, global reach, and innovation, one airline stands above the rest in 2025. And that airline is Qatar Airways. Here's why. Suite is still the best business class in the world. Exceptional service culture rooted in hospitality. A modern fleet of 787s, 777s, A350s, and upcoming 777X jets, Hamad International Airport. One of the finest hubs ever built. Top-tier safety performance elite dining crafted with precision consistency across all cabin classes. And premium flight experience on nearly every route, Qatar sets the global benchmark. And in 2025, it is the undisputed leader of world aviation. Closing. And that concludes Krosstrail's top 25 airlines in the world for 2025. These airlines represent the very best the aviation world has to offer, from budget-friendly innovation to all-out luxury and world-class service. If you enjoyed this deep dive documentary, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Krosstrail, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next global aviation guide. Until next time, fly safe, fly smart, and keep exploring the world.